In the heart of an old town, surrounded by the murky waters of the River Clyde, is where Bothwell Castle lies. Destroyed, graffitied and in ruins, but still so beautiful and impressive. There is a silence that has felt over 600 years when the battles occurred with so many tears. The smell of fresh air flows through the cracks that carries the taste of ancient roast dinners. The rough giant castle sends a shiver through your spine. Bothwell Castle may be now for exploring, but it was a place that was once called home.
We were at Bothwell Castle and we are dancing. We're dancing about Bothwell Castle and like history and stuff. It's special because there's loads of different scenery and the castle looks amazing.
It's important because we need to like raise awareness for the next generation and stuff, just to make sure that we can keep beautiful places like these.
Because we should look after Bothwell Castle because like it's old still, so like climbing up it could like break it and then it could start falling down and then we won't have it.
I like dancing with other people because we get to do teamwork things and get to do lifts and all.
It feels like I'm doing movement with other people that like I don't usually get along with or people that I never talked to before.
I've enjoyed like just like spending time with people. It's just the best, like getting to express yourself through dance.